Hello, I am Dr. Ted Cibik, and I'm standing here on the campus of Inner Strength here in Leechburg. And there's 81 glorious acres that we have here as a healing center. And I have been a traditional naturopath treating people here for over 30 years. And about 20 years ago, I got my training as a doctor of medical Qigong and was declared a Zhongyi, which is a Chinese physician, by my teacher, Jeffrey Yuan. And I kind of combined those two worlds together to make a unique synergistic healthcare model that I enjoy teaching to students who come here from all over the world to train not only in classical Chinese medicine and classical medical Qigong, which is inner strength Qigong, but also teaching Western concepts of blood work and how to read that energetically. So if this is of interest to you, please check out my website, email me, call, and we can discuss your future interest on becoming a futuristic healthcare provider with a background of naturopathy as well as classical Chinese medicine, which I think paired together makes a very unique individual. We have students that are incorporating this all over the United States as future healthcare professionals. Thank you. The the course is really a multiple combination of demonstration, lecture, clinical time. We're actually working with each other and or on people that I do bring here so that you can do a full paced assessment, including eventually their blood work, Wei Qi analysis, tongue analysis, all those kind of different things, so that you can do a very capable, accurate assessment of what is going on with that particular client patient. And the other thing that this does is, because of the diversity of teaching, it matches a variety of learning styles. Some people were auditory, some people were visual, et cetera. So we try to be sensitive to both of those types of people. We teach multiple Qigong exercise for each organ and each meridian system as well, so that you can pick and choose what is going to fit the patient or client the best. So for many reasons, somebody that's 30 is going to be having different needs perhaps than someone who's 60 or 70. Someone who is a cancer patient is going to have different needs than someone who's an MS patient. Someone with fibromyalgia, you get the idea. So the idea is that we have many different types of Qigong exercises that can be prescribed to that person that you will be teaching them, so that in fact we can cover a diversity of different kind of pathogenic factors or illnesses. Unique to our program is that we teach a complete food energetics, not proteins, fats, and carbohydrate ratios or any of that kind of stuff. This is the energetics of food and how to pair those energetics based on your assessments and building postnatal qi, which is a combination of breath plus intake. In other words, food, water, essential nutrients, protein shakes, whatever you're doing, however you're structuring your program. We talk a lot about all of those things in our energetic nutrition course. So it is designed so that you're not just becoming a medical Qigong therapist, you're also learning how to supplement and rebuild through energetic food therapy. And now you have the best of both worlds to bring that person back into harmony and balance much quicker than just by Qigong alone. We also teach, there's a lot to this course. It's very intense. There's a lot of components to it. We also teach energetic blood work so that you can be able to take Western medicine blood tests and basically interpret that energetically from a 5-element theory and a 3-element theory, which was unique to our teachings here in Taoism, and then basically pair that with pulse and tongue diagnosis and Wei Qi diagnosis, all these things you learn here, so that in fact you can rebalance the blood, which is another way of looking at the Qi. So this is the best of both worlds. To my knowledge, no one else is teaching this with the depth of a traditional naturopathic background, pairing it with classical Chinese medicine. So it's very unique to our program, and it makes a huge difference in outcomes. So I hope this gives you an overview of what we offer here in our education system. And so come train with us in our beautiful Dallas campus of 81 acres, in our Qi filled fields and mountains and rivers and forests and streams that are all available here. The Qi is fantastic, and it's a great place to learn, and it's a great place to, quite honestly, change your life. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to talking to you. And also, I look forward to helping you in this Qi filled journey. Until we meet, take care.